All right, so to drop this bumper, you have to take a couple of tabs off on here, starting with this one right here, this one. You got one right here, 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 and one right here, and one right here. I think for a total of 9 tabs up here. So first, you want to take this part off so that you can get into the 8 millimeters that's on the side over here. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Let's first take the pins off. They're push pins, so you got to push right down here in the middle. This thing will pop up, and then what you have to do is use your nail or a pry tool to actually take it right out. I'll show you guys right now. All right, so yeah, so what you want to do is you want to take these out like this and just place them in and then click it in. But once you click this one in, it makes the opening for it to come out. They're push pins, push clips, whatever you want to call them. Same thing here, use your nail, pry it out, and then use a pry tool and take it right out. The same thing over here, push.
Damn, homie was wearing a Luka Doncic jersey across the street.
He is?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I know, you're in the wrong state, homie. This is Knicks country.
For real. Once you push in, nail it, come right out. Clip. Think they understand?
I hope so. By
I
the 8th, 9th one.
I think I need the flathead for this one. Bro, your hand's gonna get dirty.
It's good.
Yo, you told me my hands were gonna get dirty on this?
The car did.
Oh, that car's pretty dirty, to be honest with you.
Cause you ain't never washed the engine bay, that's why. Honestly, not a lot of people do.
All right. So now that we did that, this should come right out. Easy peasy.
There you go.
Boom. Now what we have is, what do we have?
We gotta take these off. This.
Yeah, you got, these are 10s. So 2 10s. So what we have over here is 2 10s, right here, 2 10s. And we have this one right here is another 10.
Say they're all 10s.
And this one right here is another 10. And I suggest you guys get those pans. They're really cheap from Harbor Freight, $2. All right, and now we got 2 8s because we took this cover off. We got another 1 8 right here. I don't know if you guys could tell. Give me a second here. You got one right here.
That's an 8, right you said?
Here. Yeah, it's an 8 mil.
Which one?
8 millimeter. Look, it's right there. I suggest you guys get one of these magnets. Oh, never mind. He took it off.
If you
need this or not?
No, I'm good. Let me see. A good thing to do is put your hand on the
bolt, right?
On the bolt, yeah. As you thread it back.
As you thread it out, right.
Keeping support.
Now you got to do another 8 on the wheel well. So it's right there. You guys can tell.
And the clip.
And then you got 1 clip right there. And then you got 1 clip right there.
What about that one?
Yeah.
That one too, right?
Mm-hmm. And these are just tabs. These are not just push ones. These are just tabs. You can just take them out with the pry tool right there. Right there. And right there. So the same thing. And then there's clips underneath that have to be taken off underneath the bumper. And I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit what that looks like. I'm gonna break open that box so we can use it as like for our knees.
Hopefully we're not gonna be on our knees for too long, yeah, man.
We're not gonna be on our knees for long, no. Hold up. Show the folks where it is. Hold up, I'm gonna set it up right here.
There's a couple bolts here too.
No bolts, just
yeah,
clips.
Bolts right here, look.
No, you don't need to do that. Just the clips.
Okay.
No, just the clips.
Okay.
Yeah, so there's clips starting from all the way to the wheel well, all around. It should be about 6. You say you can start taking them off, bro. Stop talking. Easy.
2 of us. You get twice as much then.
Yeah. You just wiggle it side to side, and eventually it pops right out. And it's 6 of them, right?
I didn't count.
I took 2, you took 4.
Yeah.
All right. So it's 6 clips underneath the bumper.
Told you, the bumper is easy.
Sort of the hard part, right?
No, I wish that was the hard part. The amount of times I've taken the bumper off my car and back on.
So what you want to do now is pry out here a little bit, pry out here a little bit, and boom.
Are there no more tabs here?
No, no more tabs. And then out here, just pry out,
Pull
pry
on
out
both.
a little bit,
Yeah, like this, look.
pry it out a little bit, pry out over here. Yep, there we go. Loosened up. Now we got to loosen. We got to loosen on the wheel well.
Yeah.
There we
Got
go.
it?
Yeah,
You pulled out?
yeah.
I don't want to hurt your car.
Don't hurt my car. There's a bunch of clips in here that this thing goes on.
You want to do it? I don't want to do it.
You don't want to do it? You
I don't
scared?
want. I'm scared to break it.
All right,
Rather you break it.
all right. It's right here.
Pick something up. You got it?
Go. Yeah, there's a bunch of clips here. That it
Careful,
goes on.
careful. Okay.
There we go. And there we go. All right. I'm not sure.
Not sure what that is.
There's a glass? Plastic breakage? From where?
I don't know if it's from your
I don't think it is from my car. This can't be from my car.
Oh, we have to take the plate off.
Oh, good one. All right, so we just took off the front plate.
20 minutes later.
Yeah,
You know,
for-
like the thing, like 20 minutes later.
Yeah, 20 minutes later, we took off.
Front plate.
All right, so you're gonna do the same thing I did.
It's already popped.
So
Oh, wait.
it didn't pop. So grab my GoPro, so I'll show people exactly how it's done.
Let's show the people.
So there's a bunch of
wait.
tabs on here that need to go in there and click up. You see this right here? It clicks up. This right here. It clicks up in here after you put it in. But you have to take a couple of tabs out of here and you got to pull a little bit here and down and boom.
Boom. Voila.
And now from here, you pick it up.
Wait, don't
and then-
slide it back
and
all the
then
way.
you
This is a
slide it a
sensor.
little bit, and then over here you
There's a
have
sensor.
this. Come here. You have
couple of
this
things.
clip right here, and this clip
have to do
works
that
all the
one?
front. No, right here.
Okay.
So you push
it back.
back on this,
Yeah.
and then you
Slide it back.
pry it out, and then it comes right out
Okay.
like that. And that's it. That's the removal of the bumper.